Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. It's in this box right here. It just looks like a box, but it is going to be a hose reel. So look at that. So it's going to be one of those kinds that has a little hook there and then sticks into the ground so it'll hold itself up. So I have a hose sitting outside that I need to put on a rack, but let's go ahead and check this out and see what it looks like here. It's got a lot of bubble wrap on it here, so we're going to go ahead and just open it up and assemble it here. Let's see what we got here. So inside we have the pieces. Okay, we can kind of tell that these are going to be the stakes that go in the ground, and then the poles that go up. That went flying. Okay. Okay, that was and here it is. Okay, so this is it here. The hose will wrap around there and hang, and then this goes into the ground. So hopefully in one of these corners you're seeing it, or after this video or something like that, but looks good to me. I like it, so thumbs up. And here we are. We got the hose on the reel. I have this reel out here that I just put on the side of my house for this particular little hose that's just going to be used for dumping my RV. But so that's what this one here is for, and it fits really good. It's totally fits right in. You can't even really see it from away. It's just a little hose on the side of my house, so it looks good. Thumbs up.